is Joni, and I'm just going to get on here long enough to show you a little quick video that I made for you. It's a cloche, and all I did was just take a cloche that I had bought down at Old Time Pottery, and I just took some snow and put in there, and I had some little deer, and they were purple and red and green and all these colors, and I painted this one white, and put a little bit of sparkles on his back, but you can't really see that much. And then I took two of the I think they're 4-inch trees, and that back one, the middle one, is let's see, I think it's a 5-inch, and they were from Walmart. And the Santa, he was from let me think, where was he from? I think he was also from Walmart. And then I just put some buffalo snow in around them. And I'm going to put some lights in them when I put them out in the house. But I'm just trying to get a lot of things up right now so that I can get on the decorating part of the house. And I'm trying to decorate and do this at the same time. So I'm going to put some little fairy lights down in there with them. So that will make it even cuter. But I think that this is really cute. And you can see my fingers where I've been painting the little deer. It says on my cloche top, inspire, and that's what I do. I try to inspire as many people as I can, and when I'm talking with them or anything like that, I like to think that I do inspire people and help them to feel better about themselves and better about situations in their lives and things like that. So I thought that was a nice little saying on that. So usually I buy my things without any writings or anything like that on there. But when I saw the inspire, I thought, well, that doesn't bother me, because that is what I try to do with a lot of my work and everything. So I just wanted to show this to you, and then I'm going to get off, and when I have my Christmas tour, I'll show it to you again with the lights in it and everything. And I'll probably even put a little bow or something up here to decorate it up here some more. And I may even, excuse me, put some things around here. But I just wanted to get this up and so that you all could see it and know that I am putting things up so that I can get some of these things taken care of around here that I have, so that I can get onto my trees, because I have 3 of the trees already put up, but they're just not decorated. But so I have to get on I have the pencil tree in my kitchen, and then I have one in my dining room, and then I have one in the living room. And I'm going to try, I don't know if I'll be able to or not, but I'm going to try to put one maybe in my bedroom. And I have never shown my bedroom, but I'm thinking about it this time. So I'll let you guys go, and I hope you like this, and if you do, I hope you like his little snow and the snowman. I love little snowmen with their brooms and everything. But give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk with you guys I'll probably be making another video tomorrow, and trying to decorate some also. So I'll talk with you guys later, and you take care, and I love you, and God loves you too. Bye-bye.